Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, children of all ages, welcome to an episode of Where's Waldo, Arabic Letters Edition. Today, we are going over a very interesting looking letter. So if you've been following along, this video series is essentially approaching the last passage, or last verse rather, which is a passage in the Quran, the last verse of Surah Al-Fath. You'll find it on page 515 of the Uthmanic Codex, the Madani Mus'haf, the Quran that kind of looks like this. Go to Quran.com, go to page 515, and the last verse of Surah Al-Fath is basically the shortest verse in the entire Quran that has all the letters of the Arabic alphabet. And it's so short that I can fit it right here, right behind me, for all of y'all to be able to connect with and engage and follow along as we are going through these specific letters. So in today's video, we are going over a letter that looks like this. Now, if you've been following along in the series, the previous letter, which was I thought a puddy cat, because it's the letter ta, and it looks like that. It looks like the letter B in English. However, if you add a dot on top of it, it becomes the letter, I want to say the letter, the best way to call it would be a zipper with a lisp. Because now, the context of this video is not the sound, but I just want to address it so that in the future, when the sound is talked about, you'll have a level of familiarity. In the past, we covered a letter that we called zoom zoom, which is essentially the race car with a dot on top. Now, the sound that you make with zoom is very similar to the sound that you make with Z or Z if you're Canadian or British. It's basically your teeth are together and you say Z, right? Simple. However, with zoom zoom, that's easy, but with this guy, what you do is you put your teeth, you open up your teeth a little bit and you put your tongue in between like this, and you make the sound of a Kawasaki Ninja. So if this is a zoom zoom, what does a zoom zoom do? It does a that's the sound that this makes. Now, if you can't make the sound, if it's a little too difficult, it's all right, don't worry about it. The whole objective of this video is for you to be able to recognize what it looks like. And so that's what it looks like by itself. The way it looks like when it's in the beginning of a word, you'll have a line or a letter, and then you'll have the letter B with a dot on it. Or actually, that's in the middle. In the beginning, it'll be like that, and then it'll continue. And in the end, it'll be like this, and that's basically it. So, boom, beginning, middle, and end. That's basically what this letter looks like. So what we're going to do now is we're going to make our way through the Surah Al-Fath, and we're going to try to find where Kawasaki. I need a word that has in it. Any ideas? Any takers? I can't think of one, but if you guys in the comments do let me know what is an English equivalent for like that. Not zipper, that's with a Z or a Z. I will always say Z like this because it's Z, not Z. But anyway, if you can think of a particular word or an English equivalent that does then do let me know. But Kawasaki Ninja, any kind of motorcycle, like a 500cc motorcycle is what comes to mind. But anyway, so let's go through this passage one word at a time, or basically, let's actually make it really quick. It's got a dot and it looks like the letter B. So let's keep going. Or you could look for I thought a putty cat with a dot on top. So let's keep going. Any I thought a putty cats. And nope, I did not find any here. Let's keep going. And oh, but that's not it. It's missing the line. So that's not it. Keep going. What else we got? Nope. And this one is elusive. Nope. And any more I thought putty. Oh, there we go. I thought a putty cat. Right there. Now, obviously you don't have a dot on top, as you can see right there. No dot, and so that's not it. But that's the start. See, it looks like the letter B in English. A very fancy B, very fancy lowercase b. Let's keep going. Any more? Oh, there we go. Right there. It's on this side. Boom. Right. That's the Kawasaki. Uh, the B with a dot on top. Keep going. We found one. And any further? Oh, there's another one right there. Right there. Keep going. Any more? Any more Kawasaki's? I see no others. Oh, there we go. Last one. In Alim. That's the word. Alim. What? Well, yeah, Azima. If you drop the alif or the alif, it becomes Azim. Yeah, anyway, so that's the Kawasaki. Should we call it easy? uh, it's you saying easy, but like somebody, if I were in the ESL class, that's how I would probably say it. But anyway, this is not English as a second language. This is Arabic as a second language, or maybe a third language if you are of a multicultural background. But anyway, so I found a total of maybe 3. Did I miss any? Let me know down in the comments below. Let me know how many you found. Tally it up. Open up a mushaf. If you don't have one, visit your local mosque. It's Ramadan. People will be more than happy to lend you one. And start reading Surah Al-Fath, page 515. I'll see you guys soon. Assalamu alaikum.